I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when.
Good morning, guys. It feels so weird to pick up a camera again. I have not vlogged since I was in Sri Lanka back in February. So that was nearly 5 months ago nearly. It's nearly the end of June. Lockdown has just been lifted to a certain extent. It's been eased off here in the UK. So we are now allowed to meet groups of 6 people from outside our household. So it's Sunday morning. Me and Theo got up really early. It's about 8 a.m. Yeah, about 8 a.m. and we're heading off to Oxford. A couple of weeks ago we decided to invest in an inflatable kayak after spending quite a lot of time down near the river in Sturdy Stratford. So yeah, we've got the kayak. We're meeting up with our friends Josh and Beth, and they've got an inflatable paddleboard, and we're just going to spend the morning kayaking and paddleboarding down some of the rivers and canals near Oxford. So I thought I'd do a little vlog to memorise this day, and yeah, thought it'd bring you along with me. So enjoy.
Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
We've just got home after a really fun morning kayaking. I've just had a shower because I felt really grotty after being in that canal, and then now we're going to have a barbecue. The sunshine is out and I've missed it the past couple of weeks because it's been raining, so yeah, can't wait to go and sit in the sunshine with a drink and just relax. Hope you have a good weekend. Speak to you soon. Bye.